Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how you can activate your new debit card of HNB Bank through your web browser. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar, you're going to type in HNB Bank. Right? Then you're going to click on the first link or the sublink of the HNB Bank. So I'm going to click on this. Let the page load, and now you're gonna fill in your username and your password. Once you do that, you're gonna click on a login. You're gonna click on login. Maybe it asks for some authentications like OTP on your phone or an email to your email address. Just complete those steps, and when you log in, when you are logged into your account, you go to the main page, and under the debit card section, you're going to click on activate your debit card. So when you do that, a set of steps or instruction will be presented to you. You just have to complete those set of instructions correctly, giving out correct informations and all that stuff. So when you complete this set of instructions, you have successfully activated your debit card. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.